Ladies and gentlemen, to your left, the World War II classic fighters.
Wish me luck as you wave me goodbye. Cheerio, here I go on my way.
Hamilton leading the box formation there in the Boomerang. We talked a little bit about that. 1942, Australia found itself suddenly thrust into the war with Japan becoming a player and really no fighter. All our fighters were overseas. We were waiting on the Kitty Hawk. This aircraft was really an off-the-shelf aircraft built in 14 weeks to fill a gap. 250 of them constructed, a terrific stopgap until the Kitty Hawk arrived.
On the far right, ladies and gentlemen, is the well-known Curtiss P-40 Kitty Hawk, and that aircraft was